sounds even better when I do this. Concludes my video for right now. Anyways, people out there, I hope you enjoyed. And hopefully soon I'll be able to drive this thing. Everybody have a nice day. Bye.